Hi, we're back again with another fun and easy experiment. So this one's perfect for the summertime. You need a large bowl or glass. This is a big vase that I have filled about halfway with water, but you can use a bowl. You need a cup. Plastic works well. We're using glass just so you can see what we're doing, but you don't have to use a glass. Plastic's a good idea. And then you need a paper towel. So we have half a paper towel here. I folded it up a little smaller. And you just need it to sit in the top of the glass. So next, you take it and we're gonna submerge it in water. And what do you think is gonna happen? You think it might get wet?
Yeah, maybe. It'll probably get wet.
Yeah, so let's see what happens. Flip it upside down, push it in the water. It went all the way in. And what happened?
It's dry.
It's dry, and the inside of the glass is dry. So it formed an air pocket when we were inside the water that kept it dry. Let's do it again.
Oh, it gets wet. Oh,
Still dry.
Can I try?
Is it still dry?
I'm gonna get my special
A bigger
paper
one?
towel.
Okay, she's trying it with an even bigger paper towel. Let's see.
Wait, it's special.
Double. Still dry?
Yep.
Wow. So it's a good one.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Can I try?
Okay, dip it in. Now lift it up all the way. Is it dry? Even the toddler can do it. It's dry. It worked for her too.
Hey.
So it worked when we all did it. Okay, I'm soaked now.